Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to do a lifestyle hack. We are going to make our homemade yogurt using the winner's yogurt, or you can use any other natural yogurt or strawberry or vanilla according to the type of the yogurt that you want to make. But for us today we are going to make the strawberry yogurt, so we are going with this strawberry also from the supermarket. So the ingredients or the product that you are supposed to have, number one is whole milk, fresh milk. Yes, this is fresh milk, 1 liter. And then this is our yogurt that we are going to use it to make our yogurt, but only 1 spoon, 2, according to the thickness that you want. And then we are having this strawberry essence and the sugar, but this sugar is optional. If you want it natural, you can make it natural. So we are going to pour this milk to our sufuria. Make sure your sufuria or the pot you're using is very thick. Very thick, yes. The one that cannot transmit the heat directly. So we are going to put it on our heater.
We are going to boil it
at a very low heat. Yes, and make sure while you are boiling, you stir. So when you are boiling it, you stir it to avoid the cream and the fats of the milk. So let's boil ours. Slowly by slowly until you see the
cream.
Not cream. Until you see your milk imeanza kupanda juu.
Imefika boiling point.
Yes.
Chemistry yake ilishia.
So guys, as you can see, the milk has already formed the bubbles, but we are still stirring it to ensure that we kill the bacteria that is found in milk, to allow the yogurt to be formed when it is cold. Hey guys, our milk is ready, and if you want to confirm that, you can test it using your palm. If it's too hot for your hand, for your arm to handle, then you know automatically it is ready. So we are going to cool it. So if you want it to cool faster, you can use ice water, but if you are not in hurry, you can just cool it slowly if you don't have some other things to do.
What if they are?
So we are going to put a small amount of this milk. We want to try making our own yogurt starter using these chilies. This is just a simple chili. If it works well, we will share with you guys. So we also let it to cool down. We add this chili, we cover it, we place it in the dark
in a warm area.
hata dark inasaidia. So let's back to our natural yogurt. Because the milk is still hot and we like sugar in this house, we are going to add 4 spoons of sugar while it's cooling. Kwa sawa, nataka ikuwe asali. But if you don't like sugar, you can just go with natural. It's okay. And for us, we are making only one flavor, the strawberry. So we have to put a little bit of sugar for it to bring a good taste. We have to speed up the cooling. So we have put the water into the basin to speed up the cooling. I think it has reached the level of the warm that we want, because my arm is in the condition to to hold the milk. So let's add our yogurt. 1 spoon of yogurt, pebbleta yogurt. I nataka to add yani venye kwanzia ni, since I realized this method.
And mimi nikikumbuka nilinunua yogurt ya 700.
Don't worry. Guys, since I realized this method, this has been our way making our yogurt, and it is the best.
I'm eager to see the results like you guys.
1, we add 2. So when you are adding your yogurt, it depends on the level of thickness that you want. If you want your yogurt to be that thick, you can just add it. Then you stir it very well. Make sure you stir your yogurt very well to avoid the particles
from the cream.
Yes, and the milk has fat. It has also cream. I want it to be that thick. You can even anza kuanzi. Pause. We are going to put our yogurt here in this small bucket, and then we cover it very well to ensure that the warm is contained inside,
and also to make it airtight.
Yes. Touch the outside and it is warm. So let's cover it, and then we're going to cover it with a blanket and put it somewhere where nobody can touch it. Tomorrow morning. But then pause. So we are going to cover it now. Wow. Tomorrow morning We will see you guys and show you the results.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Let's check one day.
Let's check the results.
We'll put like a flashlight. Wow, imekuwa.
Hi.
You can scoop. Wow. Nikoaje?
Tena.
Kuja kitchen. Wow. So this is our yogurt. You can see it is very, very thick and delicious at the same time. So let's add our strawberry essence. One and a half. You stir it. Haya, tuko na vanilla, not vanilla, we have strawberry yogurt here yenye tunanunua kwa shop. Ni perfect one babes, ndio? Ama unataka uwekewe uonje? Sawa. I think iko sawa sawa. Leta glass nikuweke ya kuonja. Wow.
Never.
Mpishi mwanzo. Ni ya shop.
Hiyo essence inaleta
Katamu kazuri. Hebu nikuchukue. Ikaje?
Inataramuka hapa, inaguza hapo.
So sweet.
So sweet. I love it.
Nimeweza sijaweza?
Umeweza.
Talamba hii. Transfer it to the tin and then you place it to the refrigerator for 4 hours, 6 hours. And then ukunywe sasa, itakuwa very sweet.
Kwani imekuwa ndogo?
Si inapungua? Ama understand your science baby.
Silikuwa 1 liter bana, haijatoka 1 liter.
Na umeonja? Nachukua hiyo lambi.
Ongeza nguo.
Lamba na spoon.
Guys, this is the end of this video.
Yeah.
If you like this video, like and share to more people so that they can do this recipe.
Yes.
And subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.